Hey y'all, good morning. I woke up with a terrible headache. Just didn't want to stay in bed. I have a good sleeping. No, I feel like I need more sleep, which means I just need to go to bed earlier. But I like the time where I'm getting up in the mornings. I get up around 6, and I feel like I want to keep that routine all throughout the summer. I mean, if I wake up one day and my body is tired, for sure I'm gonna rest. But for the most part, I kind of want to keep this early wake up so I can maximize my days. I want to treat the summer as I am a full-time content creator and see how it feels, because I want to get up and maximize my day. Today is gonna be a lot of editing, try to produce a content. It's been 2 Mondays since I posted, and I like keeping my uploads regular, but I've been vlogging and everything. I've been producing content. I just haven't had the time to actually sit down and edit. And I am gonna go to Starbucks. I have a couple things on the agenda today. I still haven't found a bed yet. I found about 4 online. The only thing is, online the shipping time is a little longer than I really want, so I'm hoping I can go in stores today and really find somebody that can deliver the bed today or tomorrow, because I'm kind of ready to just get the ball rolling with the room and everything. And I also want to go grocery shopping. I was just gonna go out and buy stuff myself, but I think I'm gonna bring my grandparents with me, just to bring them out the house. They're in the house day in and day out. They probably say no, but still, just taking them out the house, because I know being in the house for so long, it'll get to you. But I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get some Starbucks. They don't do all that, so they don't want anything. And then I was gonna just stay at Starbucks and do some editing, but I think I am going to get Starbucks, get stuff for breakfast, go home. We're gonna make breakfast, and then we're gonna go on the road to go grocery shopping, because it's almost 10 and I don't want to go later on in the rush hour traffic and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna call my grandma, because like I said, I was just gonna do the errands myself, which I probably still might, to be honest. I probably go to the produce junction by myself, because it's right by the Starbucks, and get that out the way. And then we're probably gonna go to BJ's to get stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm up to today. I have this set on from Old Navy. I really like it. I wish I had bought more. I bought this one, a little out of my comfort zone, because I usually go for the neutral colors, not much pattern. And I bought this, and I was just okay, I like how it fits and everything. I picked the sizes perfectly, and yeah, I really like it. So I might have to go back and get more, because it's comfortable. It's perfect for the summer. The material is cotton, and it feels really good. So I feel like I want to go back and get more colors. Just something I'm running errands and stuff like that. It's easy to just throw on. But yeah, that's enough yipping and yapping. I just want to get y'all caught up, tell y'all that y'all didn't miss much yesterday at all. But I'm in a really good space. I feel like now that I'm out of work, I feel so free. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel so freaking free. I think work and me, the traditional getting up and going to work, and the type of job that I do that's so stressful at times, I need to get something else. Hi, can I do a grande ice white chocolate mocha?
Would you like whipped cream on top?
No, can I do the vanilla cold foam with caramel drizzle on it as well? I need to add money to my Starbucks really quickly. Only one person is in front of me. Yeah. Okay. Added. Thank you as well. Perfect. Junction was a go. I had just called my grandmom and asked her if there was anything that she specifically needed. I got some stuff too. I'm about to head home. I did tell them that I'm gonna take them to BJ's, so I doubt they're ready right now, so I'm gonna stop at another grocery store and get some water. Oh, people waiting on me to come out. Child, I need to get better. When you come to this Produce Junction, y'all, parking is like ridiculous. So like, people be waiting on you. They'll be seeing you like you leaving, and they'll be waiting on you to just like pull out so that they could take the spot, because parking is like a little hard to get around here. So I was passing this furniture store. Like, you ever seen those stores you were like, yeah, they don't got nothing, or like they're open? So my mom was telling me to check it out, but I was just a little skeptical. And as I was driving home, I was like, let me stop real quick. I found a bed. I feel so much lighter. Like, I feel like me not getting a bed was like stressing me out. And I found one. Like, it was the first bed right at the entrance. I feel so damn relieved. Y'all understand. It's not getting delivered until Saturday though. Today's Wednesday. So a couple of days, and that gives me time to like get everything in order, because I want, as soon as the bed come, I just want to like put everything together. I got some packages coming in from Amazon as well to organize the bathroom. Damn, I feel so relieved. I was about to go to like, I had like 3 furniture stores written down on my phone that I wanted to like hit different spots today, and I'm just glad I don't got to do all that driving. So now it's time to go home. We just got some bad news, some bad family news. We have a death. So I don't know if my grandparents are gonna still be up for going to BJ's. I'm just give them grace. It's up to them, to be honest. So yeah, life is such a precious thing. Like, life is just so like, you're here 1 minute and you're gone the next, and you leave, especially because the death happened in Jamaica. So like, you visit somebody and you know they're ill and everything, but like, you always have this hopeful part of you that like, oh, I'll see you again and all that, and it's never gonna happen again. And this person was really close to my grandma, so I don't even know how she's feeling right now. So yeah, it's just crazy. I'm trying to love up on my folks as much as possible and not get caught up in like the fastness of it all, because life is, you know, we're only here for a time, for a limited time, and I want to maximize it as much as possible. So crazy. But anyway, I gotta make a stop. My grandma made porridge. So she asked me to stop and get some tough crackers, which I'm about to do right now. Yeah, I'll be back, y'all.
Love you, babe. Love you, babe. Oh, babe. Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, now stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're...
Hell, it is like 3 hours later. I just got finished editing the vlog. I hate when I like don't like edit parts, because then when I have to literally sit down and edit, it could take me that long. Like, I am so exhausted. I didn't even make the thumbnail yet. For some reason, the pictures are not airdropping to my laptop, so I'm gonna go home and figure it out. But the video is uploading to YouTube right now. It's 7:45. I want to upload by like 8:30. That's late, but I need to upload a video. But while I was in there, y'all, a group of ladies came in. It is basically like a worship. They're like Christians, and it's like a woman group. So they're forming, I think the church is fairly new, and they're forming like this woman group or Bible study type thing. And I was just listening. Oh, they're like so funny. And like in my head, God was just like, join them. I'm like, I'm scared. But this one girl that was sitting there, she was like, she asked me where I got my tripod from. And I told her, and then I heard her talking, and she was just like, oh, she does YouTube and stuff. So I wrote her a note and let her know that I do too. And like, I gave her my Instagram and my YouTube name, and I told her like, message me on Instagram so I know it's her, so that we can like support each other. And I'm gonna send her the link of the tripod if she messages me. But yeah, and I also like told her like I didn't want to like interrupt the whole thing, because they were having a whole discussion. But yeah, so hopefully she messaged me. I'll keep you up there with that. I feel like I'm coming out of my comfort zone, like in so many ways. I'm legit shy, y'all. I'm so shy. And like I've just been doing things lately, like just like vlogging in public. It's nobody's business, not caring. And I know people do it all the time, but me, I have to be with somebody to vlog and all of that. But I just been doing my thing because we are manifesting out here. Because if I wanted to go to TJ Maxx, go see if they have any skincare stuff, like new stuff in stock, and check out their home section as well, so I can see if I can find anything for my little apartment. Yeah, that's basically what it feels like. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I don't care what nobody say. This face of K Michelle, chef's freaking kiss. I am craving a freaking egg and avocado breakfast sandwich. I don't really like bread. Fun fact, the only bread I will mess up is the hardo bread from Jamaica Bakery. The orange and clear bread that they sell, like I buy it fresh from the bakery. Oh, that's the only bread I will mess up in like no time. But as far as like regular bread, I'm not really a bread person. Like I can't tell you the last time I actually ate bread, like, you know. But anyway, I'm craving a sandwich, but the only bread I can really like tolerate or like, you know, eat is this keto bread. Back when I was on keto a couple years ago from Aldi. So I drove to Aldi and I got the keto bread. Avocado. Yesterday I bought avocado, but none of them are ripe. So I went to Aldi and I got this. It's not ripe either, but it's just a good. It's better than the ones I bought yesterday. I can like eat and crush. And it ain't a avocado and egg sandwich if you don't got that hot red pepper. Like, ooh, the crushed hot pepper. Yes, ma'am. So I'm so excited. Before I went to the gym, I made protein shake and coffee. So this is just what this is. I made it and just left it in the car because today was strength day, and apparently you need to consume, I mean, you should be hitting your protein every day, but when you lift heavy, you know, you need to make sure you're getting your protein in. Here y'all go. I know it's not like aesthetically pleasing how it's put together, but I know it's about to bust down. The avocado was a little too hard. It wasn't right. I tried frying it thinking it was like sauteed, and I thought it was gonna like soften it a little bit. It didn't, but I seasoned it with like salt, pepper, and I added the crushed peppers on there. Yeah, exactly what I was craving. The only thing is, I wish the avocado was a little riper, but not bad. 8 out of 10. I'm gonna eat this with some grapes on the side as well. Let me see y'all in the next clip. I got a package yesterday. I ordered some stackable drawers organizer to put in a bathroom downstairs. I got 4 of them. But the stuff that I need to put in them is upstairs. So I'm currently upstairs just trying to still pack up. I feel like you never know. Why is it so dark? There we go. And I look a mess, but we move. You never really... Oh, I thought I would have to make them. Thank God. So this is what they look like. Let me print me out the plastic. I'm acting brand new. Okay, I thought I would have to put it together. Thankfully, I don't. Okay. They're smaller than I thought, man. But I bought these stackable drawers to put in the bathroom under the sink to like just store stuff. I'm thinking to put my skincare in there because I don't really like stuff out on my bathroom counter. I don't like it. So most of the stuff is just going to be stacked away in organizers and stuff like that. So, you know, I can keep the place organized. So I'm gonna, I don't know if I should pack it from up here and transport it downstairs. Should I bring them down? I don't know. I'm just kind of like feel it out to see what can fit in it. And yeah, because I still need to pack up some stuff. But I'm so tired. Kai is sleeping. I'm trying to like maximize my time because like Kai is very clingy on me now. So like if I pass him, like he'll start crying and stuff like that, and I be feeling bad. So I just wanted to come and show y'all these. They're really nice. I thought they were a little bit bigger though, but I think it's good. The tallest thing I have in my skincare, and it fits, so it's perfect. All right, rough draft of what I'm thinking. I'm gonna have more face masks. I need to grab my face mask actually from the bathroom. I have more face masks in the bathroom, so I'm gonna put them in here. I got my toners. I just tucked this faded cream in there, moisturizers, and just my serums and mask, little mask and stuff like that on an everyday basis. That's kind of why. So I definitely need more of these. Hopefully they fit in the bathroom downstairs. I need to go try it. This is, and then I could put my hygiene stuff on here, like my everyday lotions, deodorant, and stuff like that. Don't judge me, my cap fell. So yeah, and this could probably go in the closet because I'm not sure if it's gonna fit under the sink because the sink is not that spacious. Or should I put these in the closet and this in this? I don't know. Hey guys, it's date night and we're getting ready. We're going to this restaurant called Budokan. I like Budokan. I remember in high school, me and my friends, we always go to Budokan. Like, we were like big baller. Because I remember in high school, like, especially our 11th and 12th grade year, we worked at a pharmaceutical company. Our school had a partnership with GlaxoSmithKline, and basically they would choose like specific 11th grader every year to go work there, basically intern for 2 years, our 11th and 12th grade year. And I remember my friends, we all from the same school would go there, we would work together and stuff like that. And then our 12th grade year, we did a dual enrollment. So for 12th grade, we weren't necessarily going to our high school, we were going to college, taking college courses, which at the time we were like, this is it, we don't have to go to school, we don't have to necessarily go to our school, we don't have to wear uniform, this is freedom, we got more hours at work and everything like that. So, and then we had a paycheck coming in every 2 weeks. But, and mind you, we were like 16, 17, 18 year olds, like okay. So I remember we used to like plan friendship dates, just like whether it's bowling, to the movies, and Budokan was always on one of our, like, we were like, where you want to eat at?
Where we about to eat at?
Budokan. And Budokan was always on our list of places that we want to go. And the last time I've been was like 2019. I remember I had a birthday dinner there, and that was the last time I went. Sweets had somewhere else planned, but they closed early. They closed at 9 and we weren't gonna make 9 o'clock, so we have a late reservation tonight. It's at 10:45. Like, that's late, but we're gonna work with it. It kind of works out for the best right now. So I'm just speed rushing to get ready, hoping that my makeup turns out right. I kind of know exactly what I want to wear. Hopefully that comes out, you know, because sometimes your outfits be right in your head, and when you put it on, you're like, ugh. We are ready. The outfit that I planned did not work because I switched. I like the outfit, but somebody was like, oh no, that don't match mine, so I had to like revisit my outfits a little bit. We don't technically match, but the colors like go together more because we were like on different part of the spectrum. So we're running a little late. I did my I feel like I told y'all, like I'm wearing my natural hair out just in this puff for a little while. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna rock it till the wheels fall off. So I got this bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. Skirt is Pretty Little Thing. Bag is Shein. I'm wearing some black strappy heels as well from Shein. We're running late, so I'm gonna run out.
So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. Maybe we found love right where we are.
Hey guys, so I don't remember if it's in this vlog or it was the last vlog that I told y'all that I was at Panera editing a video and I was overhearing, you know, a group of ladies doing like a Bible study thing, and I had left a note with one of the girls that she did YouTube and stuff. So they're meeting again tonight. She messaged me on Instagram last night asking me if I was gonna come today, and initially I had said no, but I think I'm gonna go. I don't know, I always hear people say, oh, God talk to them, and obviously it's not a physical talk like shut it, but I've just been having this urge to go. Like, this thought just keeps saying go, 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 and I'm gonna be obedient and I'm gonna go. I look a mess. Like, I'm not trying to put any glue or anything in my hair, but so I'm just gonna go like this, to be honest. I'm nervous because I'm not great with meeting new people. Like, it's not that I'm not social or anything like that. I'm shy. But I want to step out of my comfort zone. I want to meet new people and just like form new connections. And one of the things that I've been trying to do lately, and I've been trying to do it on my own, but honestly, I can't do it on my own, is to surround myself and to like be more connected with God. This is one way that I can actually put it in action. So I'm about to grab my Bible and grab a little notebook so I can take notes and go. I'm actually going to text her right now that I'm actually going to come. Guys, I know I look a mess. Let me try to get myself together a little bit. I'm in between wash days, so I kind of want to go wash my hair today, and I kind of want to just wait because I'm getting my hair done next week. So it absolutely makes no sense for me to actually, should I just let it down? Just in the house not doing anything, and I haven't been vlogging since I look a mess, and I wanted to go get my hair washed today. It's pouring outside and I didn't make an appointment, so I said I was just gonna wash my hair myself. That's not gonna happen because I have to wash, if I wash my hair today, Friday, I have to wash my hair again on Monday, and I'm not doing that. So basically I'm just organizing my wigs. One thing I do is I'll go back on my channel and I'll look at the wig, because sometimes I don't do a good job of keeping the wig in the bags that they come in. And then some companies don't send like the wig bag for you to keep them in, so like stuff gets misplaced. So I'm on my channel right now just going through, I'm looking at the hair so I can pair with the right bag. So let me kind of show y'all what I have going on. It's raining outside, I can't go on the road, I'm just in the house, kind of sleep. Really not much to do, so I'm just doing stuff that I've been putting off because I've been working. So now there's the summertime, stuff that just pops up, I'm gonna just get it done at the end of the day. And also they've been upstairs in the bathroom, so now that I'm moving down here, organizing my bathroom, I kind of want to make it like real, like thoroughly organized, so like when it's time for me to go grab, I know specifically what wig I'm going for. So yeah, I'm watching a hair video of mine right now. I see the hair company, but I don't see a bag for it, which means they didn't send me a hair bag. I get these bags, sometimes I keep them. This is like a Fashion Nova bag, so you could keep these bags from Shein, Fashion Nova, wherever you order. So I'm gonna tuck, this is the wig, I'm gonna tuck it in here. And since I don't have the bag, I also have pen and paper, and I'm just gonna write the company's name on there, so when I'm pulling for it, I'll know exactly what company it is and if that's the hair that I want to watch, I want to wear. So it'll just make it easy versus I have to keep going into bags and just pulling out wigs and guessing and checking to see what is what. So
yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure, yeah. The first nigga play on my body and neck. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. Okay. You know that your hoe told you that nigga crazy, don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Get caught with your hoe when I'm popping them both, now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the GOAT, act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank, take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge, she got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type that that nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with a million.
2:30, baby, won't you leave me by the beat? Too early, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubby, look around. Find one to sing my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl.
So I just did my skincare and everything. I have my hair out because my mom is gonna cornrow it for it. I have a wig video to do. I did it and my file got corrupted, so I have to refilm it and send it in for approval. I want to do all of this before next week, so I'm just trying to like use the weekend to be as productive as possible. So it is rainy outside. I did throw some PJs back on. I don't really have any plans to go out. It's raining. It's giving very much Netflix and chill, but yeah, that's pretty much what I'm up to right now.